Hello, and welcome back to ACB Photography, a place where photographers don't just create, they win. On today's episode, I'm going to show you a quick win on skin retouching. Sometimes we have crunches and deadlines, and we want to hurry up and get a project done. If you only have the face to edit, I'm going to show you how to do that in like 2 easy steps. Let's get started. Here we go. Let's get started. This is an image that I took a couple of weeks ago on my Black is Beautiful campaign. We had so much fun, but I was in a hurry to get these photos edited and get them back to the clients. We did some group photos as seen here, and we also did some individual photos, and my clients absolutely brought it. But anyway, enough of that. So I'm going to show you what I did to get their photos back to them so quickly. So just briefly, I'm going to go ahead and do any blemish removals that is necessary, which, like I said, not too many edits were done to these photos because they absolutely ate. But I'm going to go through each face on here because, as you can see, not much skin is showing. We just, this close up all about our skin, our black skin, appreciating where we come from, our melanin. So I just wanted it to be kind of uniform and just like all face. I wanted just to show face this time. So I'm going to start by going through and just using my remove tool and editing out any like skin blemishes. So like I said, I'm not going to do too much, especially for tutorial purposes. Just going to touch up the little minor things. And with my editing, I like to make sure that I retain my client's appearance. I don't like to edit so much that their appearance is altered. So as you see here, and this is just for tutorial purposes, if I was doing this for myself, I would probably spend a little more time, but I just want to get to the good part and show y'all the great things that Photoshop has to help speed our workflow. All right. And my models were all beautiful. And I just love this. I love photography. I love capturing people, memories. It's just amazing. So I'm going to go through here. Let's speed it up just a tad and go through the whole process of everyone's face, getting any blemishes off that may be there. All right, so we started with him, so we are done. Now, let me show you, and I forgot to do it at the beginning of the video, but y'all, if y'all have been here with me, you know the first thing I start with is making a copy of the background layer so that we always have the original layer there. All right, so to do that, you're going to hit Command J on Mac or Control J on PC. So anyway, let's pretend we already did that. So I'm going to rename this layer retouching. You can do whatever you want to. All right, so I'm going to make a copy of that layer because I want to put my skin smoothing in a different layer by itself. So I'm going to make a copy of that and name that layer Skin Smoothing. All right, so here's the trick. Here's the good part, y'all. It is as simple as going up here to filters. Photoshop has some great tools called neural filters. So click on that and we're gonna see everything that we can do with this picture. When you click neural filters, this little box is gonna pop up, and here are all the things that you can do. Right here, as you see, it's gonna identify faces in our photo. And this is just good for faces. So that's why I said at the beginning, if you only have faces to edit, this is a great way to do that. So the blue box indicates who we're working on. So we're working on him first. And we're going to go up here and toggle the switch and click skin smoothing. And y'all, it's going to do it automatically. Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? And to see before and after, you can click this little button right here, and it's going to show you before and after. Now, if you don't like the amount that it did, you can either increase it or decrease it. So it consists of blur and smoothness. So if you want it a little bit more smooth, you can bump it up. If you want it less smooth, you can bump it back down. But usually I just leave it where it is, and I may bump it up 1 or 2 stops. But hey, that's good. So we move on to the next face. You click that one and it's going to turn it blue. And that's who we're working on now. We've already got skin smoothing selected. And we're going to see what it did. Let's bump it up just 1. See that? Oh my God. There is the before. There is the after. So I'm just going to go through here. Select everyone's face. Select that. It's blue now. And we're going to add the skin smoothing. Boom. Now that did a little too much. I'm going to take that back down. All right. So there's the before and after. Let's move on to the next face. This one right here. Perfect. Perfect. It didn't do too much. All right. Let's go to my face. My mean mug. Perfect. 2 more faces here. Let's go to her. And boom. And last but not least, let's go to him. Boom. All right. And when we're done with everyone, and of course, y'all see I've got to do more editing to this photo, but I just wanted to get this tutorial out real quick. All right, when we're done, we're going to hit OK. Now, you can choose whether you wanted to put it in that layer. And since I created a new layer for the skin smoothing, I'm just going to do the current layer. You could do a new layer, or do a net layer mask. It's up to you. But for this, I'm going to keep it in the current layer and press OK. And when you do, let's resize this. Command 0. There it is, and it's all your retouching, your skin smoothing. That was so quick and easy, wasn't it? So if you're in a crunch and you need, y'all, this is just amazing. Oh, I love it. If you're in a crunch and you just need to do some skin retouching on the face, that is how you do it. Photoshop Neural Filters. It's up here in the Filters tab. All right, and I promise y'all I'm going to fully edit this image because I am going to use this image to post. So I'll come back later and do the whole image and clean up that background. But if you want to see the full image, make sure you are following me on all of my socials. All IG and Facebook are both ACB Photography LLC. And on TikTok, I am Captured by ACB. Isn't that amazing how quick and easy that was? I tell you, the power of AI, we have to use it to our advantage. So I was able to get most of everyone's individual photos back to them like pretty much the next day. So as you can see, I'm still working on the group photos, but that is amazing, y'all. If this video helped you, go ahead and give me a subscribe, give me a like, and comment below. Let me know what you think. Also, comment and let me know if you're going to try it. And when you do, let me know how you like it. Your support means everything to me because I make these videos because I want to see you guys win. I want to win and I want to make sure you guys win. So if you know a photographer that may need this, go ahead and share it with them. Until the next time.